Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Discord account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, head down to the gear at the bottom of the Discord page next to your username. And then you want to click change password. And then here you can type in your current password and your new password and click done. If you're logged out, you can try to access Discord from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you're unable to log in, then you will need to reset your password. To reset your password, enter in your email address here where it says email address or your phone number. And then you want to click forgot your password. And now you want to go and check your email for an email from Discord about a password reset. So the email should look like this, and it should come from noreply@discord.com. And if you verify that's where it comes from, you can click here, reset password. And then here you can type in your new password and click change password. If you can't find your account information, then you will need to go to the next recovery step. If your email or phone number was changed and you got an email like the one I have on the screen now, you want to head over to this support site here. This is Discord support site. And under what can we help you with, you want to select hacked account. And then here you want to fill out the form. So you want to put in your email address, your username. If you know your user ID, you can put that as well. And the email that was associated with your account before it was compromised, so your original email address. And then also you want to select how you think your account was hacked. And also if you received any emails from Discord explaining that your email address was changed, that's the screenshot that I have on the screen again. It should look something like that. And under subject, you can put something like account hacked and email changed. And under description, you can use the format that I have in the description and just edit it to your specific situation. And you can also add any attachments that you might want to attach. And once you're done, you can click submit and wait for a response from Discord support. Here are some tips on securing your Discord account. Secure your email. Verify that the email or phone number on the account belong to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere and revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party logins. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, we do offer a free account security assessment to evaluate your situation and provide guidance and recommendations to secure your account against future threats. For more in-depth support, we also offer a paid account recovery service to walk you through the process of regaining access to your social media, email, and other personal accounts. You can book an appointment using the link below or visit the website on your screen to recover and secure your account today. We'll never ask for any personal account information or passwords. We just guide you through the recovery process. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.